What's going on, guys? I'm doing this for a YouTube video. I did it on stream before, but I'm doing it for a YouTube video too. This is ultimate boxing training. Ultimate boxing training. I'm gonna do some boxing training moves, boxing training on this recorded video for YouTube, and because I did it on stream before on Twitch. That was just today, actually, like a while ago. It was a while ago, but I'm gonna do it for a YouTube video now. So here it is, guys. Boxing training. All right, let's demonstrate it. We're gonna be doing southpaw. I'm right-handed, but we're gonna be doing southpaw, and we're just gonna do some boxing training. Let's do it. Good enough, guys. Good enough, good enough. It's good enough, guys. It's the ultimate boxing training there, guys. Give that a try. But you might want to start off with like a few punches at a time, and like it's a few punches at a time. Don't struggle or get tired because you're gonna be doing it again over again. Don't struggle or do tired. Just do a few punches at a time, and you're gonna be doing it over and over again, basically. So you're just gonna do as much as you're comfortable with, not till you're tired, or not till you struggle or till you're tired. Just enough so you're comfortable with just a few punches at a time. Do that all day. Do that not all day, but a nice amount of times a day. By the first week or two, you should notice some drastic improvements. You should be able to do it pretty long, and then you could just keep going until you could do it very long. That's all you do. Ultimate boxing training, guys.